ClickUp plus Google Calendar setup tutorial. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can set up your Google Calendar alongside your ClickUp platform. So let's get into it. Now we are on our ClickUp space. So this is my basic ClickUp workspace. I have this class notes template loaded and it has a date created. It doesn't have a due date column, but I will add that later on. But you can see if you click on view, you can add a calendar view, and this is a empty calendar that I have over here. Nothing has been added on this calendar. Let's say I just add a task over here directly from my calendar like so, and this is going to be your basic ClickUp calendar. So what if you want to add your Google Calendar to your ClickUp calendar? Well, for that, you actually don't have to work within the workspace. What you're going to do is you're going to click right down below at the bottom left, and then you can go into your workspace settings. So you're just going to go directly into settings over here. You're not going to go into your account settings. This is your account settings. This is your workspace. I have named it Hee, and I'm just going to go into my settings over here. Once you do that, you're going to click on settings. You don't have to click on integrations or anything like that. You're just going to go into your settings and you're going to scroll down, and right down below somewhere, you're going to see in your My App section at the bottom, you have your calendar. So you're going to click on calendar over here, and then you can add your Google Calendar. So you can just click on add account over here. And now you can do this in two ways. First off is that you can sync events to ClickUp. So your Google Calendar will be added to your ClickUp calendar, or you can add your ClickUp events, the tasks that you have created in ClickUp, to your Google Calendar. So it works in two ways, and I'm going to show you guys both in a second. So first off, let's start with adding our Google Calendar events, and then we're going to add them to our ClickUp calendar. You're going to select one, and then you're going to click on next. Then you're going to select a Google account to link your calendar form. So you can add different accounts as well, and you're going to allow ClickUp to access your calendar. You're going to click on next over here. And just like that, you have set up your Google Calendar. Now, you can add another account and sync that as well, and you can do a reverse syncing for the other account as well. So this allows you to sync different workflows into one workspace. Now, I have synced my Google Calendar to my ClickUp account, so I'm going to go back, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to view my calendar. Right now, you can see I have this birthday added over here, so it's appearing over here. Let's say if I add something on the 23rd of October, I can add birthday party. I'm going to click on save over here. And now you can see I have added this just to my basic Google Calendar. And if I refresh over here in my class notes calendar on ClickUp, now you can see this party event has been added to my ClickUp calendar as well. So this is how you do a calendar integration from Google to ClickUp. Now we wanted to do this in reverse, and we wanted our ClickUp events to be added to my Google Calendar. So for that, I'm going to go into my class assignment section. I'm going to cut out all of this stuff, and I'm going to add a calendar view to my class assignments. I'm going to add this view, and what I'm going to do is first off, I'm going to click on my custom fields. And what I'm going to do is if you scroll down, you can sync with calendar directly, and then you can add or remove your syncing. So if you want to remove your Google to ClickUp syncing, you can remove that first. So you can remove the syncing so your Google Calendar sync is removed, and then you can add account, and then you can click on sync tasks to Google. So this will allow you to keep this separated, and we're going to click on next over here. Now you can select what kind of stuff you want to be synced to your Google Calendar. So first off, if you go onto student, I have my class notes list and I have my class assignments list. If I only want my assignments to be mentioned on my Google Calendar, I can select that, and I'm going to select my calendar to what email I want this to be selected to. And then you can also choose if you only want the tasks that are assigned to you to be selected, or if you want all of your tasks to be synced to your Google Calendar. And it's very simple. You just click on next after that, and then your calendar has been added. So sync tasks assigned to me from student class assignments to my Gmail account. So if I go back into my calendar, I'm going to create a few tasks to show you guys how this works. So over here, I have my class assignments, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add assignments to today. So 1, 2, 3, and I have been assigned this. I'm going to add some more like this. And once you have added your assignments, you can even view them over here in your class assignments section. You can see I just added 1, 2, 3 English and math, and these have been assigned to me. Without even refreshing my Google Calendar, you can see that these assignments assignments, so 1, 2, 3, English and maths, has appeared on my calendar without having me to actually even refresh. And this is just how quick and seamless their integrations are. Now, you can choose to remove certain things from your Google Calendar as well. So if you want to remove these tasks, if you're just viewing your calendar and you don't want to actually view your ClickUp integration and you don't want to see all of your tasks, you can go into your My Calendar section and you can choose to remove stuff. So if you click on tasks over here, if I unclick it and let's just refresh, now you can see my tasks have been removed, and you can choose to even change color of certain tasks. So let's choose to display all of our stuff again. Now, if we choose to remove something, it's going to be removed, and we can change the colors as well to denote different kind of stuff. So if you have birthdays, you can denote them separately with a separate color on your Google Calendar, so they are more easy to differentiate from your general ClickUp notifications as well. And you can do the vice versa on ClickUp as well. So you can add different colors to Google integrations as compared to your direct ClickUp integrations on your ClickUp calendar. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to integrate your Google Calendar into your ClickUp account seamlessly and vice versa. I don't know what the big deal is about how some people have found this very difficult to set up, but the initial setup, although it's a bit hidden and confusing, is very seamless and easy once you have actually done that. The best part about this is if you don't have the ClickUp mobile application, you probably do have a Google Calendar application on your phone and you're able to receive notifications. So let's just say I added this English task on my ClickUp account. If I click on it over here, what I can do is I can click on options and I can change the owner, and if I click on edit, I can invite others, I can see guest list, and I can even add my notifications. I can add a different color. I can add if I'm going to be free or busy during this task time or due date. And then I can even make this a repetitive task on every Saturday, Sunday, or whatever, depending on what kind of task it might be. If it's a class, I can add it on a repetitive schedule, so I don't have to add it on ClickUp constantly, and it will appear on my ClickUp account as well. You can even add your locations, add a video meeting conference as well, and this really helps you in organization between your general daily schedule and your ClickUp and your work schedule and workflow. Now, the best part about a setup like this, where you can integrate your ClickUp calendar to your Google Calendar or vice versa, is that you can integrate as many ClickUp calendars to your Google Calendar, so there's no limit. So if I have different workspaces for different stuff, I can still integrate it all into a singular calendar, and when I don't need to view all of the things together, I can view them on my ClickUp calendar. So you can see over here, I have this different workspace, and if I go to my November list, now you can see I'm going to add a few due dates to my tasks. So I'm going to add these in November, and after doing that, if I go into my calendar, I'm going to see them over here. But if I go into my workspace settings, so if I go into my settings, I just scroll down, go to my calendar over here, and then I can just add or remove my calendar connection, or I can remove this and just add my account and sync my Google events to my ClickUp calendar as well. So in this situation, I would want to link my ClickUp events to my Google events because it's like my class schedule. I'm just going to do that, and the calendar is going to be for this email. I'm going to click on next. Now if I go back into my basic tasks, anything that has been assigned to me is going to be on my calendar as well. And this goes for any workspace you might want to add your calendar to. So I can go to my side hustle workspace and I can link my calendar to my Google Calendar over there as well. So there's no limit to that, and you're able to find all of your work together in a singular place. That's the best part about linking your ClickUp calendar to your Google Calendar. And you can see if I refresh over here, I'm going to see all of my different items. So I'm just going to add due dates for all of this. Now if I scroll down over here, you can see I added maths over here. I added maths today, and we have English. We have all of these different events that I created in my ClickUp setup. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I will catch you guys in the next video.